Look at the size of this dill plant. It's huge. I'll never need this much dill ever. Probably the rosemary plant not doing so good. Kind of need something to like climb on. Basil, still small. And I need some circular trellises or whatever they're called for these tomato plants. I got these ones climbing. This one, it's still not quite tall enough for this. And then lettuce. This lettuce hasn't sprouted. No. Unless it's these. Really, really small. It could be. I thought I planted them like down here though. But that lettuce is doing good. And then check out the onions, man. They're coming in pretty good. And then these, I believe, are the cucumbers. So they're coming in too. And these are the peas, and we're missing some there. So, not a great one for the peas. I gotta clear all this shit out. Look at that. It's like a jungle. And some weeding. Weeding! That dill plant, though. Jesus Christ.